Hello guys, today we want to talk about LTMR, the complete motor control, protection and metering solution from Schneider Electric. I already covered SIMO code and today we want to talk about a Schneider counterpart and how it can be achieved via a Schneider. So as you can see in the picture, this solution consists of three important parts. The main part is the main LTMR controller. In this controller, you have the option of CAN open, industrial network, device net, Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and Profibus DP. And also for power supply, you have two choices, 24 volt DC and also 230 volts AC. As you can see in the picture, we have chosen Profibus DP and 24 volt DC for our controller, main LTMR controller. This controller has internal CT and can measure up to 100 amps. If your motor consumption is greater than 100 amps, you gotta use external CT up to 800 amps. This controller also has expansion module which can be connected via this RJ for RJ via RJ45 cable. And as you can see from here, you can connect via RJ45 cable operator control unit, which is the third part of this solution. So how this solution works and how which protections and monitoring functions you can achieve with this LTMR from Schneider. As you can see here, we have these kinds of possibility for protections. Load fluctuations. If your load is fluctuating, it will detect and send alarms on the output relays. Earth leakage protection. If you want to get earth leakage protection, you gotta use external core balance CT as is depicted in the picture for ground fault errors. You can also have overload for long time, overload, normal overload, lock rotor protection, thermal overload protection, which is 49 ANSI code. This one is 49 ANSI code. Power factor variation, reverse polarity protection, phase failure, and phase unbalance protection. You can also have such diagnosis on this device. Motor control command recording, starting current and time, trip history information, phase fault and earth fault trip counters, running hours counter, operating time, remaining operating time before overload tripping, fault recording, trip context information, event recording, waiting time after overload tripping. And for metering functions, you can achieve temperature metering, earth fault current metering, average current metering, imbalance current, and also phase current. Separately, you can measure that for each phase. And you have also the possibility to use the internal web server for monitoring and measuring functions. You can also configure this device via SoMove software, which is a proprietary software from Schneider Electric. Altogether, this solution is really good for MCC panels from Schneider, and I also covered SIMO code solution from Siemens. So now you are familiar with both solutions from Siemens and Schneider. Hope you enjoy this presentation and you can use it in your future projects. Thank you very much. Have a good day.